If your legs feel hollow, soft, or strangely empty inside, this is not normal aging. Harvard Health warns that this sensation is one of the earliest and most dangerous signs of accelerated muscle deterioration in seniors over 60. It means your leg muscles are losing density, losing strength, and losing the internal support that keeps you steady on your feet. And once this hollow feeling appears, the decline has already begun inside the muscle fibers. The sensation of hollow or soft legs is not just weakness. It is your body telling you that the structure inside your legs is collapsing faster than it can rebuild. Mayo Clinic explains that aging alone does not cause legs to feel hollow. The real cause is a combination of sarcopenia, nerve decline, low protein absorption, and poor blood flow. These factors attack your muscles silently, especially at night, and create that empty sensation when you stand or walk. But here is where it becomes frightening. By the time a senior feels hollow legs, they may have already lost up to 15% of muscle without realizing it. This hollow feeling is the body's attempt to warn you before the real danger begins. That danger is instability, falls, rapid fatigue, and loss of mobility. Let's break down exactly why your legs feel hollow or soft, and how you can fix it quickly. The first hidden cause is loss of fast-twitch muscle fibers. These fibers give your legs firmness, density, and the ability to respond fast when you stand or move. According to NIH, fast-twitch fibers are the first to disappear after 60. When they shrink, your legs lose internal strength. You may feel as if your legs cannot support your weight. Seniors often describe it as walking on empty legs. This is not a feeling. It is a structural decline inside the muscle. The second cause is nerve weakening. Your nerves carry signals from your brain to your legs. As you age, these nerve pathways degrade. Harvard researchers call this motor neuron dropout. When nerves die off, the muscle fibers they control die too. This creates weak patches inside the muscle, giving your legs that soft, hollow sensation. If your legs tremble while standing or balancing, this is one of the earliest signs of nerve muscle decline. The third cause is poor blood flow. Older adults often have reduced circulation in the legs. Without blood flow, oxygen and nutrients cannot reach the muscles. The tissue becomes flat, soft, and easily fatigued. Mayo Clinic warns that poor blood flow accelerates sarcopenia because muscles cannot repair without oxygen. If your legs feel hollow when you climb stairs or walk uphill, poor circulation is a strong contributor. The fourth cause is protein resistance. Seniors absorb and use protein less efficiently. Even if you eat protein, your body may not convert it into muscle effectively. Harvard Health calls this anabolic resistance. When the body fails to build or maintain muscle, the fibers shrink, leaving gaps inside the muscle tissue. This leads to that hollow or spongy feeling in the thighs and calves. The fifth cause is chronic inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation slowly destroys muscle proteins and blocks muscle repair hormones. NIH research shows that inflammation can shrink muscle fibers from the inside out. When inflammation rises due to sugar, processed foods, poor sleep, diabetes, or stress, the muscles lose density. The hollow feeling becomes more pronounced after a night of poor sleep or after eating sugary foods. This is not a coincidence. It is inflammation actively breaking muscle tissue. The sixth cause is mitochondrial decline. Mitochondria are the energy factories inside your muscles. After 60, they weaken rapidly. When mitochondria fail, your muscles cannot produce enough energy to stay firm or strong. This leads to a soft, sinking sensation in the legs. Seniors with mitochondrial decline often feel hollow legs early in the morning or after minimal walking. There is also another surprising cause: low magnesium and low vitamin D. Mayo Clinic reveals that low vitamin D weakens the largest muscles in the thighs first. Low magnesium disrupts nerve communication. Seniors with deficiencies develop weak, empty-feeling legs long before their blood tests show major issues. All of these causes combine to create the hollow or soft feeling. But the real danger is what happens next. Hollow legs lead to instability. Instability leads to falls. And falls remain the #1 cause of injury-related death in seniors over 65. Once your legs feel hollow, you must act quickly. Fortunately, seniors can restore leg strength, density, and stability faster than they expect if they follow the right steps. The first solution is targeted resistance training. Not long workouts. Short, focused, consistent training. Harvard researchers confirm that resistance training is the #1 way to reverse the hollow leg sensation. The best exercises include chair squats, wall push-ups, calf raises, step-ups, and resistance band extensions. These movements activate fast twitch fibers, rebuild density, and reawaken nerve muscle connections. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can restore firmness. The second solution is protein timing. Seniors must consume high-quality protein at breakfast and dinner. Not just dinner. Protein in the morning activates muscle repair early. Protein at night protects muscle from overnight breakdown. Foods like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, whey protein, salmon, chicken, eggs, and tofu restore amino acid levels. Seniors should focus on leucine-rich foods because leucine triggers muscle repair pathways. The third solution is omega-3 intake. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve muscle sensitivity to protein. Seniors with higher omega-3 levels show stronger legs and better balance. Fish oil, sardines, salmon, and chia seeds are powerful options. The fourth solution is vitamin D and magnesium. Vitamin D restores strength to the large thigh muscles. Magnesium improves nerve communication and reduces the hollow sensation. Seniors should test their vitamin D levels and consider magnesium glycinate for nerve muscle support. The fifth solution is hydration. Dehydrated muscles lose firmness and energy. Drinking small amounts of water throughout the day improves blood flow and oxygen delivery. This reduces fatigue and improves leg stability. The sixth solution is reducing sugar and processed carbs. Sugar increases inflammation, blocks growth hormone, and damages nerves. Cutting sugar reduces the breakdown of muscle fibers and restores firmness. The seventh solution is creatine. NIH clinical trials show that creatine increases muscle density, improves walking speed, strengthens fast twitch fibers, and restores firmness in the legs. Seniors who take creatine feel more stable within weeks. Another powerful technique is improving sleep quality. Sleep is when muscle repair happens. Harvard sleep researchers show that poor sleep accelerates muscle loss. Seniors must dim lights an hour before bed, avoid caffeine late in the day, and maintain a cool, dark environment for deeper sleep. Better sleep means stronger legs. Now here is the most important part. The hollow feeling in your legs is not harmless. It is the first stage of deeper muscle deterioration. If ignored, it leads to trembling, instability, slow walking, and high fall risk. But if seniors act early, the hollow feeling disappears. Legs regain firmness. Muscles regain density. Balance improves. Walking becomes lighter and stronger. The decline can be reversed faster than you think. Your legs feel hollow because they are losing the support they once had. But you can rebuild that support. Every rep of resistance training, every gram of protein, every night of good sleep, every anti-inflammatory meal. Each step moves you away from weakness and toward strength. Your legs are not hollow. They are calling for help. And now you know exactly how to answer.